Z to the 7th equals, do I really need a 7th power?
Just make one up.
Actually, do you want your answers to have root 7 in them? The 7th root of something in them?
Yep. Yeah.
Or do you want me to give you 128 cis 3 pi on 5? Why not? Just to show you that the technique will always work. If you can write it neatly like this, it's very easy. If you have to do this and you've got more than a squared, actually from methods you might, do you know how to solve cubics from methods yet? With long division?
Polynomial.
We did. We're still learning.
Yeah, you guys have done it.
Yeah, we did.
I just have to be reminded of the method.
So,
it's very weird.
after IA3, we will do this with complex polynomials,
like
not just real
It's like
polynomials.
extending.
Don't you just use long division?
Do something with
Yes,
the
yes. Guess a solution, substitute it in, divide it out, keep repeating until you get back to a quadratic. There are actually, you know there's a quadratic formula, there are solutions for cubics, but they're very complicated. Beyond that, it's too hard.
Well, quadratic, no, sorry, the power of 4 is easier.
Only if it neatly works out like this.
Yeah.
You can't solve easily a quartic if it's x to the 4th minus 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 14.
Yeah.
That's very difficult. So, how do I do this? Well, mod z has to be the 7th, oops, that was the 7th. That's why I should x is not z's, right? Because my 7s and z's look the same. The 7th root of 128. Anybody guessing?
2.
Correct.
I know from,
This is 2 to the 7.
I know from playing 204.
I know from programming.
Nah, 204.
Which one's nerdy?
So,
Find out.
z could be 2 cis what?
3 pi on 35.
3 pi on 35.
13 pi on 35.
Or, now what am I adding each time? You know I can write a general solution. What am I adding each time? I want to divide the circle into how many equal parts?
7.
7. N lots of 2 pi on 7. Which is how many on 35?
10 pi.
10 on 35. So mate, I'm going to have 2 cis 3 pi, 3 pi on 35. Or 2 cis 13 pi on 35. Or 2 cis 23 pi on 35. Or 2 cis, what's going to happen now? Still under 33 pi on 35. What happens for the next solution?
Next stone.
Good. What's it going to be? It's going to be 43 minus 70.
43 minus 70.
Well, 2 pi.
If you're minusing
43 35ths. What's on this side?
Then you both add to 2 pi.
Subtract 2 pi from 43 on 35. Get your calculator out.
Wait, so
Get your calculator out.
can't you just take the other answer and go in the opposite direction?
Okay, so yes, but I want to know when to stop.
Oh, right.
Okay, you could just go here. 3 pi on 35, take 10 is minus 7 pi on 35, and keep going until you get to just under pi. Either way works.
Because that's how you're usually going to have to give the answer.
Or 3 pi and 35 do times by the denominator when you go from the second step.
Yeah, so this becomes, I have times the bottom by 5, so I have to times the top by 5. I need 7 solutions equally spaced around the origin. They are this far apart.
Oh,
How do I get that? 2 pi divided by 7. But because I'm working in 35ths, times top and bottom by 5.
So 10 pi.
Add 10 every time. 3, 13, 23, 33.
40.
The next one's 43.
Or
That's bigger than pi. What's the negative side? So you've got 43. Take away 2 pi.
35.
2 pi is 70 pi on 35. So what's 43? Take 70. Negative 37 pi on 35.
Isn't that greater than 1 still?
Yeah. 27.
Oh,
That's not-
27.
Yeah.
I can't do maths. Or what's the next one?
20. No,
Oh,
17.
yeah, it was 27.
And
And I need 7 total solutions. And I'm done.
Wait, is it just plus or minus and 2 pi and 7?
Well, n is any integer.
Yeah.
N is an integer.
So you just go backwards from 3.
You
minus
can, that's
10.
what Sam was suggesting. Alternatively, once you get over, you can stop and go, okay, minus 7, minus 17, minus 27, and then stop when you get to the pi again.
Yeah.
As long as you write 7 solutions. I prefer this because I prefer to just keep going the same way around the circle.
Yeah.
Make sure I don't miss anything.
for me, it just feels easier because
Whatever, as long as you end up with 7 unique different solutions, equally spaced around that origin, you have the right answer.
what happens if you do it to the power of 360?
Well, you get 1 every degree, yes, as you said.
So you just do all the different.
Can you draw a sketch with 360 degrees in it? No. I'm not going to ask you that on the exam. I might ask you to draw the 7s. Can you draw the 7s on the circle? Approximately, yes.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, maybe. Get 1 in the right place, you can probably work out the others.
Yeah.
And if you're a little bit off, like I was, that's okay.
As long as you say the angle.
Exercise 4.3, please.